And for those Memorial Day ceremonies going on here in southern New England, we're looking okay for the most part. There is a slight chance of some showers each and every day. The best chance would be on Monday, but the majority of the weekend should be rain-free. As we look at the city of Providence, we are gray. Some fog out there, especially at the coast. Temperature is warm, 66. Pretty warm for this time in the morning. Winds out of the southwest at 7 miles an hour. Let us briefly discuss dew points, shall we? Because I love discussing dew points. I also like graphs. So here we go. For today, the dew point on average around 62 degrees, and that's noticeable, so you'll notice the humidity if you're outside today. Tomorrow, the humidity drops like a rock down to 49, so not much of a factor. And then on Monday, it starts to creep back up again with a dew point of 60. That is, once again, noticeable. So if you don't like the humidity, tomorrow and not today is your day. Live pinpoint Doppler 12 not showing any precipitation right now. There's a slight chance of some showers this afternoon. I'll talk about that in just a minute. 65 in Taunton, already up to 70 in Smithfield. How about 69 Boston? We're 61 in Newport and 63 right now in Westerly. Satellite picture showing a strip of clouds and a few light showers here in upstate New York and northern New England. This is a cold front that slowly moves on into southern New England this afternoon, and it may kick off a brief shower or a thunderstorm. We can kind of time things out here. This is 9 o'clock in the morning. Just keep your eye on the clock right here. Notice some of the clouds and the fog hanging tough at this point, but inland we start to push in some sunshine. I'm calling it partly cloudy today. Now, throughout the early afternoon, say between about 1 and 4 p.m., there is a slight chance of a shower or a brief, strong thunderstorm. That being said, the majority of the afternoon will be dry, and a lot of us will miss out on these showers altogether. By tonight, I'm expecting a slight chance of some showers across the South Shore, maybe the Cape, but for water fire tonight, we're looking pretty good. I'll talk about the water fire forecast in just a second. First, though, this afternoon's forecast. How about mid-80s in Providence? 81 by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. By 3 o'clock, we're up to 85. 5 p.m., 83 degrees. So it's a warm day and a warm evening. And for the South Shore, a little bit cooler. That's because winds will start in from the west and then a little bit of a southerly tilt to the winds by the afternoon. That'll pull temperatures in the upper 70s for the most part across the South Shore. Hope Valley 84 degrees. Coventry gets up to 86, so we get just a few miles away from the water today, and we are talking about very warm weather. 85 for Foster, 85 Johnston. Cumberland gets up to 85 degrees, and look for 80s inland here in eastern Massachusetts and 70s at the coast with 77 in Middletown. At the beach today, 75 degrees, a slight chance of a shower or a storm. Make sure you bring along the sunscreen, especially for the afternoon. For the next several hours, we will be stuck with some of the clouds and the fog. Same story if you're out on the water today. High tide on the way at 12:22 in the afternoon. Here's that water fire forecast. I'm expecting most of the action to clear out, so mostly clear skies. 8 p.m. 77 degrees, 11 p.m. 70, so a nice evening for water fire. And here's a preview of your Memorial Day weekend forecast. 85 today, a slight chance of a shower or storm. Tomorrow is cooler, 77 degrees. It will be especially cooler at the coast. Same story on Monday with upper 70s inland, low 70s at the coast with a slight chance of a few showers and storms. But again, no washouts expected. And there is Beryl. Right now, that is a subtropical storm expected to bring some pretty heavy rain to the southeastern coast of the U.S. over the next couple days. We'll keep an eye on it for our weather. It may bring in a few showers by Wednesday. And then we finally get rid of the chance of showers by the end of the week, upper 70s with mostly sunny skies. So enjoy the warmth for the holiday weekend.
All righty. Thank you, Pete.
Yep.
Now for a look at what's happening out there this Memorial Day.